Hello there, this is FairBinaryOptions.com, and this is the 11th of December, and I would like to still trade the euro grebit and pound to the upside, as from my point of view what the market is doing here or forming here is nothing but, again, the same triangle which is not broken. Not even the B2D trend line is broken. The triangle comes from the fact, or the triangular formation comes from the fact that this is a series of higher lows. So this is a higher low, and then the market went and formed a higher low, and normally this should be labeled as A, B, C, D, E, and it goes like this from here to here, like this, and from here to here the B2D trend line should be here, like this, from here to here, and the B2D trend line, it is being pierced here in less than this time, so everything looks nice for the end of the triangle to be here. So this to be the end of the triangle, where in the 0.7884. So for whatever the reason or whatever the move you are looking for, if you are looking for an impulsive move to start from this moment of time, look for the impulsive move to start here. So this area should hold. How about the move that followed? You might say, well, the B2D triangle is broken. Yes, I agree, but I didn't refer to this triangle, but I was referring to this triangle of a bigger degree. So this to be the A and C trend line, like this. Let's make it even bigger and of a different color. Like this. And this should be the A and C trend line to the upside. Now, if this is the A and C trend line to the upside like this, we are seeing now that this triangle of a lower degree, this one in black that we discussed a bit earlier, this triangle here, represents nothing but the end of the triangle of a bigger degree. So this represents the E wave. As triangle, it should be labeled as A, B, C, D, E, as you very well know. So this would be the E wave, and if this means that the triangle is completed here, then nothing but a bullish price action should come for the B2D trend line to be broken. But this triangle needs to have a measure move, as the measure move goes for the thrust of the triangle. So the measure move in this case is something like this, so from here to here, and it should be projected by the moment that the triangle is completed. But the triangle, we said, is completed on the E wave here. This projects 0.81, 0.8090, and we are barely at 0.7926. So what to do when the market goes 0.7926 and you are expecting 100 and something pips more higher? What to do then? Going long or buying call options, and this is what we are doing here on the euro and grebit and pound. Expiration date, well, I would say end of month or end of week, but tomorrow is only tomorrow is already Friday, so I would go either 1 week expiration date, so buying call options with 1 week expiration date, or with 1 month, or at the end of the month, with end of month expiration date. Thank you for being here. Bullish, euro, grebit and pound, call options all over the place. Bye bye.